The DJI Mini 5 Pro is gearing up for a highly anticipated September launch, a timeline now firmly supported by multiple credible sources. Initially hinted at by Jasper Ellens through DroneXL, the release schedule has gained further legitimacy thanks to a recent post from Hakashushi, a well-known and reliable figure in the drone leak community. Hakashushi's update not only confirms the September debut, but also teases that the Mini 5 Pro's advancements are so impressive that they might render the Mini 4 Pro obsolete for many users. Coming approximately 2 years after the Mini 4 Pro hit the market, this next-generation drone promises a host of significant upgrades that could redefine expectations for compact drones. Let's dive deeper into the standout features that make the Mini 5 Pro such an exciting prospect. Jasper Ellens recently shared a revealing snapshot of the Mini 5 Pro being tested on Chinese roads, offering a glimpse into its evolved design. A closer inspection of the image highlights clear distinctions from the Mini 4 Pro, particularly the noticeably larger camera module, a feature that has long been on the wish list of drone enthusiasts. Speculation is rife that this camera could house a groundbreaking 1-inch sensor, a first for DJI's Mini series. Hakashushi has also fueled this speculation with a post mentioning the same sensor, suggesting a dramatic improvement in image quality. If true, this upgrade would enable the Mini 5 Pro to capture higher resolution footage with exceptional clarity and perform remarkably well in low-light conditions, thanks to the sensor's ability to gather more light for cleaner, noise-free visuals. Beyond the camera, the Mini 5 Pro's physical design shows subtle but meaningful changes. The drone's arms appear more robust, likely engineered to support powerful vented motors that promise enhanced performance. While the overall aesthetic remains consistent with the Mini 4 Pro, one of the most notable additions is the inclusion of LiDAR on the front of the drone. This advanced sensor marks a significant leap forward, offering superior obstacle detection and avoidance capabilities. For those who have flown drones equipped with LiDAR, the benefits are clear: safer navigation in complex environments and more precise tracking of subjects, whether objects or people. In many ways, the Mini 5 Pro feels like a turbocharged iteration of its predecessor, combining a larger camera sensor, beefier motors, and cutting-edge sensing technology to deliver a superior flying experience. However, these ambitious upgrades spark an important question. Will DJI manage to keep the Mini 5 Pro's weight below the critical 250-gram threshold that has been a hallmark of the Mini series? This weight limit is a key selling point, as it exempts the drone from certain regulatory requirements in many regions. Could the Mini 5 Pro become the first in the lineup to surpass this limit, potentially altering its appeal? The answer remains uncertain, and it's a topic worth pondering. What are your thoughts on how DJI might balance these enhancements with the series' lightweight legacy? In addition to its hardware upgrades, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to incorporate DJI's latest OcuSync 4 Plus transmission technology. This system will enable seamless live video feeds over an impressive 30-kilometer range, ensuring pilots maintain a strong connection even at extended distances. The drone will also support the forthcoming RC Pro 2 controller, which is rumored to debut alongside the Mavic 4 Pro, as noted by industry insider Igor Bogdanov. This new controller is expected to offer enhanced functionality, further elevating the piloting experience. Another major highlight is the Mini 5 Pro's extended battery life, which is said to reach a remarkable 50 minutes of flight time. This substantial improvement over previous models will allow users to capture more footage in a single session, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with a compact drone. Whether you're filming sweeping landscapes or intricate action shots, this extended flight time opens up new creative possibilities. Personally, I'm already convinced that the Mini 5 Pro will be a must-have when it hits the market. Its combination of cutting-edge features and potential game-changing upgrades makes it a standout contender in the drone world. Are you as excited about this release as I am? Would you choose the Mini 5 Pro over other drones currently available, or are there other models that still hold your attention? Let's hear your thoughts.